राजीव सर।
हाँ
सर हमने ना एक प्लांटेशन का इसमें ऐड किया है।
ठीक है।
अभी आपका और मिथिलेश सर का एंड अमित जोशी सर का और दिलीप शर्मा सर का की तरफ से, मतलब यहाँ पे प्लांटेशन हम लोग करने वाले हैं 5 मिनट में। आई वेलकम सर, डॉक्टर मिथिलेश सर।
Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Bharti Meena, BTech CSE student. I welcome you on behalf of all STIT families in validatory function of FDP on MATLAB and VLSI optimization. Our participants are deserved to be a round of applause for their patience to be with us since 2 days. I hope that this FDP will help you to enhance your understanding of the MATLAB and VLSI optimization. A better way, and I hope maybe some research idea you may have from this FDP. Thank you. Now I would like to invite our secretary sir for welcome speech of our chief guest of this event, Professor Dr. Mithilesh Kumar RTU Kota.
So, good afternoon to all.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
Good afternoon. So, first I would like to thanks to Dr. Rajesh Kumar Bhattija, who is the professor in SDIT Dosa, and Bharti Meena, and Professor Rajiv Gupta ji is here, and State Organizing Committee. So, I will congratulate
सर आप उधर बैठ जाइए ना तो वो इजी हो जाएगा। सरकार दे
to organize such a nice program, that is a 2-day online FDP on MATLAB and VLSI optimization. I think people have gone through in detail about the MATLAB and VLSI optimization, because nowadays there is a MATLAB is very useful tool, because in our circuit era, basically in electronics communications and other branches where we have a very high level of mathematical computing, then MATLABs will be used to solve these problems, and especially in a purpose of the optimization also, because when we do the optimization, then we have to iterate so many things. So now if with the help of the MATLAB, so nowadays now there is a life becomes so easy. Earlier at the time of the when I was doing my MTech and all these, so now on that time there is no MATLAB is not available or user friendly, or we can say that is a, if we want to make some calculations with the help of the equations, then we have to go for the calculators, and it will take a long time. But day by day now there is a MATLAB tools becomes so powerful. So now we can nowadays now we can optimize the block diagrams and the circuit and all these things. So here you people have learned a lot about the MATLAB and VLSI. The both topics are very useful for the today's era, because the VLSI nowadays there is all chips and all these things we are using the VLSI, and day by day there is a things is going to change, because earlier now we are designing the IC on the low frequencies, but nowadays the system has changed to a high frequencies. So RF CMOS is comes to the new era. So definitely these things will be a very much helpful in the coming days. So once again, I thanks to the administration of Sri Digambar Institute of Technology Dosa. Thank you for inviting me here. Thank you.
सर, इट्स आवर प्लेजर सर।
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite our secretary sir for welcome speech.
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार नमस्कार
नमस्कार।
मैं श्याम सुंदर गुप्ता, सचिव श्री दिगंबर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी दौसा, 2 दिवसीय एफडीपी कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मिथिलेश कुमार जी आरटीओ कोटा एवं प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर राजीव गुप्ता जी आरटीओ कोटा, प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर दिलीप गुप्ता जी एवं श्री गिरीश शर्मा जी उज्जैन इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, और सम्मानीय अमित जोशी जी MNIT जयपुर का स्वागत करता हूं। आप सभी ने अपना कीमती समय निकालकर इस 2 दिवसीय कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में पूर्ण सहयोग प्रदान किया है। इसके लिए हम तहे दिल से अनुग्रहित हैं। आप सभी को पुणे कॉलेज की ओर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
Thank you, sir.
After this, now I would like to invite our principal sir to express his views on his FDP.
Respected सचिव सर, मेरे आदरणीय मिथिलेश सर, प्रोफेसर राजीव गुप्ता सर, डॉक्टर दिलीप शर्मा सर और सभी गणमान्य पार्टिसिपेंट को मैं बहुत ही अपनी तरफ से धन्यवाद देता हूँ पार्टिसिपेंट को, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा पेशेंस के साथ इस 2 दिवस का जो है लाभ लिया। और इसमें मैटलैब और वीएलएसआई दोनों का समावेश किया गया था। और इसमें जो ऑप्टिमाइजेशन है, अमित जोशी सर का जो लेक्चर था ऑप्टिमाइजेशन के ऊपर, दैट वाज वंडरफुल। आई एम थैंकफुल फॉर हिम to give us their precious time and give us a wonderful technique and knowledge sharing to the our participant. I also thankful to Professor Rajiv Gupta sir for his kind words and kind knowledge, as well as Dr. Dilip Sharma sir for his knowledge sharing on the communication using the MATLAB. Thank you very much, sir. Now I want to put this brief data towards your to know. In this FDP, we have 55 registration in all. Out of these 55, we have 25 from our own faculty and 30 is outside. And out of these 30, all over India is there. That is 2 are from Jharkhand, 2 are from Rajasthan, 2 are from Odisha, and as well as from Maharashtra also there, right? So there are around 30 participants have participated. Also the MP, from the MP Gwalior and Indore, as well as there are some other places from Rajasthan, Bundi, Lal Sot. These are the places at which we got the participant. So I think the participant has get the good knowledge regarding the VLSI and MATLAB implementation. So with that, I again thankful to Dr. Bitesh sir to give in one day for approval for coming to this FDP. Thank you very much, sir, for your presence. It's over to Bharti.
Now we welcome feedback from participant on his programs. I invite Ms. Reena ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Reena Charwal, and I totally enjoyed and learned a lot. The style and the knowledge of the presenter was totally amazing. All were very positive, and content was relevant and well presented. So I found the talk to be highly informative, and has more than met my expectation. So all the whole, great session, and it would be very helpful for all research fellows and trainees. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Now we would like to invite Mr. Virendra Singh Dhakar sir.
Good morning, all of you. I want to say some few words about this FTP. This workshop has been very inspiring, and I am really feeling delighted to have been able to be a part of this and try to continue with the wave approach on society with this positive technique. Very interesting content and technique with brilliant results. It's been interesting, good venue, and presented really well. I am really pleased to have done this course. Thank you so much.
Now I request to Professor Dr. Rajiv Gupta sir. Dr. Raj. Dr. Rajiv Gupta sir completed his MTech and PhD from IIT Bombay. He is ex-pro vice chancellor, currently professor and HOD ECE department at Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. His area of specialization in designing of decentralized robust power systems, stabilizers using periodic output feedback, fast output sampling feedback technique. Please, sir, I request Professor Dr. Rajiv Gupta, sir.
So, Shyam Sundar Agarwal, Gupta Sahab, Dr. Mithlesh Kumar, Dr. Batija, Dilip Sharma ji, Amit Joshi, many more. I think one I am not able to recognize that who is the next speaker. Participants and my dear friends. So I am thankful to Dr. Bhatia that he has organized 2 days workshop for all participants in this pandemic, because all the things are being done online. Or this very much relevant topic, VLSI and MATLAB, because as Professor Mithlesh Kumar told, that is the industry, it is a very acceptable software in industries. So many things are being implemented through MATLAB after this invent of DSP cards, D-space cards.
सही आगे
It is more relevant, and VLSI topics, because this is the future of electronics, because we have to make so many chips using VLSI, and then so many applications are there. Then after that we have to go for nanotechnology and then quantum electronics. So I think the people, the students or the faculty members learn a lot from this workshop, and you can say that they will keep continuing this study, and then they will take initiative to implement MATLAB and this in curriculum, or you can say in their research or in higher studies. So I am again thankful to management of SDIT DOSA for inviting me, and so we are very much connected to this institute. So we are ready to help you in any direction of this institute, or we hope that the institute will do the good things in coming future, and the student will be get benefit from these activities. Thank you.
After this, now I request to Dr. Amit Joshi, sir, to speak some words with participants. Dr. Amit Joshi, sir, complete this MTech and PhD from Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology, Surat. He is currently an assistant professor at Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur, since July 2013. His area of specialization is biomedical signal processing. He is not with us, some technical issues. So now I request we are invited to Assistant Professor Dilip Sharma, sir. Dr. Dilip Sharma, sir, obtained AMIE in ECE branch from the Institution of Engineers, India, and ME in branch of ECE from MITS Gwalior. The PhD degree was conferred on him in branch of ECE from RGTU, Bhopal. Sir, Dr. Dilip Sharma, sir, please share your words.
Good afternoon, all of you. Respected Secretary of this college, Sri Shyam Sundar Gupta, sir. respected Dr. Mithilesh sir, respected Professor Rajiv Gupta sir, and then other speaker Joshi ji, and then respected principal of this college, Dr. Rajesh Bhatija. So,
Sir, just a second, sir. Just a
I
second.
must
I am sir.
great
Just a
compliment.
second, sir. Dilip sir, I am professor here, sir.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes. Okay,
sorry,
okay.
sorry to disturb you, sir. Please.
Professor of this college. Okay, okay, okay. Rajesh Kaur Bhatija. So first of all, I must congratulate to the organizer of this college to organize such a wonderful FDP on MATLAB and VLSI optimization. No doubt, nowadays it is a burning and current topic which is required for every researcher. Of course, they are doing research in MTech and PhD level. So uh, I would like to congratulate to the coordinator of this FDP who selected such a kind of a topic, burning topic, current topic. And then again, I must congratulate to the secretary and other respected speakers who are contributed their research topic and in this FDP. So, and then last, I would like to convey my sincere regard to the organizer of this FDP for calling me as a lecturer for such kind of FDP. So thank you to all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dilip sir. So precious words.
Thank you, sir.
एंड होगी दोबारा से ज्वाइन कर लो ना before starting the implantation of the 4 trees we are having for Dr. Mithilesh and Dr. Rajiv Gupta sir, Dr. Amit Joshi sir, and Dr. Dilip Sharma sir, I want to interact with the participant for the tomorrow's test. There will be a test at 10 to 10:20 a.m. in the morning, and the eligibility criteria is 50% marks. There are no negative marking. There will be 20 questions, and those 20 questions will have only one objective answer, suitable answer you can provide us, and with in the Google form link will be given to you. And if somebody have missed the video lectures due to the classes or due to some urgent admission work or some other works, they can see the video lectures on our SDIT DOSA channel, and the link will be shared on the WhatsApp to the participant. They can go through the video lectures of our eminent speakers, and then they can prepare it well for the tomorrow's lecture. At the end, I will say that our secretary sir is very kind to give the things to in the short duration. Only 3 to 4 days we have to prepare this FDP. So I am very thankful to Sachiv sir, Shyam Sundar sir. Very thank you very much, sir.
Now we are going to make this event memorable through organizing a plantation program counter the defect of O2 by this pandemic. So now I request to Sri Ramesh Chandra Agrawal sir to plant a tree on behalf of Dr. Mithilesh sir. Sri Ramesh Chandra Agrawal sir to plant a tree on behalf of Dr. Mithilesh sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Rajeev sir, this is on the behalf of you.
What I am not able to see that. Which tree you have planted?
सर गुलाब का फूल लगा रहे, गुलाब का फूल.
गुलाब का पौधा ना, फूल है, पौधा
Yes,
है
sir. हाँ सर, ये
दिखाओ सही, वीडियो तो दिखाओ कुछ.
कोई नहीं, जब दौसा जाएंगे तब देख लेंगे.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल.
अरे भटिया जी, उससे मोबाइल से दिखाइए आप कनेक्ट करके. भटिया जी, सबको मोबाइल से दिखाइए.
हाँ सही है.
राजेश भटिया जी,
दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है.
हाँ दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है.
पौधे भी दिख रहे हैं, पौधे के आसपास जो लोग खड़े हैं, 5-6 लोग, वो भी दिखाई दे रहे हैं. सारा दिख रहा है. बहुत अच्छा है.
वेरी
बहुत
गुड,
अच्छा बढ़िया से.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. बस पानी देते रहना इसमें.
This is the time to plant a tree actually. This is the
बारिश.
right time. वैसे भी कोरोना काल में इस समय ऑक्सीजन की बहुत जरूरत है, तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा पौधे होने चाहिए.
So now
राजीव
I
गुप्ता
would
सर जी,
like
कभी
to.
उज्जैन. यस यस यस.
After this, I would like to invite Miss Priya Sharma to plant a tree on behalf of Dr. Amit sir. Coordinator of this event, Mulchan Taylor sir, KP Misra sir and Shailendra sir to plant a tree on behalf of Dr. Dilip Sharma sir. Thanks to all of you for participating in this FDP.
Thank you, Bhatija ji. Thank you, Bharti Meena, and all these. And thank you to Syam Sundar Gupta ji. Thanks. So now have a nice day. I think we have to left.
Thank you, Professor Rajesh Bhatia ji. Thank you, coordinator, organizer Bharti ji, and thank you, the secretary of this institute, Shamsundar Gupta ji. Thank you. And then I am now leaving. Thank you to all.
Yeah, thank you.
And
Thank you
thank you
very
all
much,
the
sir.
participants.
Thank you to all of you, sir.
Thank you.